Grab your favorite acrylic paint, a few leaves from your backyard, and the jelly plate. I'm going to be making some fun and beautiful jelly prints on the jelly plate. Spread a layer of acrylic paint, roll it with the brayer, and place the leaves on it. You can do one solid color or use different colors of acrylic paint. Using a fresh deli paper, press it on the jelly plate, making sure that the texture of the leaves gets pressed. Pull the paper gently, it will dry fast. Keep it on the side, we will use it later. Remove the leaves and let the paint on the jelly plate dry. Add a contrasting paint color and use a fresh paper for a new print. Pull gently and see how beautiful it looks. You can use the same technique with many different color combinations. Now let's do something fun. With the same leaf you used, you can stamp. Roll a contrasting acrylic paint color on the leaves and place them on the same empty spaces of the first print. I love the leaf texture. I'm repeating the same on the second leaf and print it on the other spot. Press quickly so the acrylic paint doesn't dry. Ugh, if a stain happens, paint over it. Add a few more details and enjoy the new print. If you want more gel printing videos, watch the next playlist.